Hey, what's up guys? It's me, the J-Man, and I'm back here today with something I haven't done in quite some time. That being unboxing of WWE trading cards by Topps. Today, as of the recording of this video, November 25th, 2019, Target was having a one-day only 25% off all Topps trading cards. So I decided, since that was a good deal, I would get not one, not two, but 3 boxes of the WWE Women's Division 2019 trading cards. But before I open these boxes and pray to God I do not get another matte relic, I hate those, let's take a closer look at just one of these boxes, and then we shall open these boxes. Here's the front of one box. We have Asuka, The Man, Becky Lynch, and Nia Jax. Has anyone seen Nia Jax? And does anybody care? We have the Iconics on top. Giggity. On the side here, we have Kairi Sane, Alexa Bliss, and Shayna Baszler. And on the back, we have Lacey Evans, and now a retro picture of Bayley before she became Karen. This is featuring moments from WWE's first ever all-women's pay-per-view event, Evolution. And I was there for the first, and now it looks like the only, WWE Evolution pay-per-view. Come on, we want another Evolution pay-per-view. Why didn't we get one this year? So now, without further ado, let me open up one of these boxes, and then I'll look at those cards and do the same for the other 2. Fingers crossed for good hits. All of the cellophane wrap is off the boxes. So let's start off with eeny, meeny, miny, miny. I'll go with this one. So now here is the special hit card, but we'll put that to the side for now. And let's take a look at what's in all these packs. Now I'm going to open all the packs first, then go through all the cards to save some time. All right, all the cards are open. You can't see it because they're all down here, but let me take one pile of cards and let's start looking at these cards. So let's see, we have Asuka saves Naomi from the Iconics. SmackDown Women's Champion Carmella defeats Asuka. Oh, Toni Storm. Perhaps my favorite female wrestler from NXT UK. I was there when she won the Mae Young Classic. Great moment. Asuka defeats Sasha Banks. And, ooh, an Alexa Bliss card. Nice. Alundra Blaze returns to a WWE ring after 23 years. Pretty good moment. Ember Moon. Unfortunately, she's on the injured list indefinitely. I hope she recovers eventually and returns to the ring, because she is awesome. And I got to meet her in person at WrestleMania. Access. That's it for this one. Not a bad start. Okay, so now this. Kairi Sane defeats Lacey Evans. The Iconics defeat Asuka and Naomi. Ronda Rousey. Stephanie McMahon. Let's toss that card. No, I'm kidding. NXT Women's Champion Ember Moon defeats Shayna Baszler. Shayna Baszler. Candice LeRae. Mrs. Johnny Gargano. Shayna Baszler defeats Dakota Kai to retain the NXT Women's Championship. Bliss becomes Miss Money in the Bank. Io Shirai saves Dakota Kai. This one. Jessamine Duke. I like her. Sonya Deville. Like her too. Zelina Vega. And that's it for this one. Pretty good cards, I gotta say. Carmella, Renee Young, Lacey Evans, Ooh, rookie card. Dakota Kai. Asuka wins the first ever Women's Royal Rumble match. Carmella has a dance break in the Battle Royal. I wonder why she doesn't do that anymore. And Carmella again. A now retro card of Bayley. The Man, Becky Lynch. Natalya defeats Ruby Riott in a tables match. Bianca Belair. Alexa Bliss. Jessie. Oh yeah, she's won the NXT Superstars. Ooh, Mandy Rose. Paige. Naomi. Sarah Logan. Alicia Fox. Wendy Richter. Becky Lynch performs a late drop from the top of a ladder. And Peyton Royce. Natalya. Dana Brooke. Trish. Nia Jax. Sasha Banks. Kairi Sane. Shayna Baszler. Ronda Rousey. Alundra Blaze. MJ Jenkins. Bianca Belair. Peyton Royce. Bayley. Nina Samuels. Tainara Conchi. Now she's just going by Tainara. Candice LeRae. Maria Kanellis. Sasha Banks. Ooh, Liv Morgan. And Io Shirai. I have almost everybody from the Riot Squad, except for Ruby. Kairi Sane. Marlena. Shayna Baszler. Asuka. Kairi. Mandy Rose. And Lacey Evans. Okay, those are all done. Pretty good cards, I gotta say. Pretty pleased. But let's hope that continues with this one. It's kind of light. And it's... Whoa! It's a Jessie Camia autograph. Nice. Okay, let's go with this one next. Here are the cards, but I'm going to do the hit first. Oh, wow. Now that's even better. A Dakota Kai autograph. Sweet. Much better than the other one. And she just turned heel. Now, the cards.
It's Bayley. Vanessa Bourne. Nikki Cross. Ronda Rousey. Naomi. Blaze. Oh, Naomi again. Okay. Mia Yim. Casey Catanzaro. First and only card because she left NXT and WWE. But such a cute little spider monkey. Chelsea Green. Nikki Cross. Nia Jax. Billie Kay. And that's it for that. Another Toni Storm. Can't have too many Toni Storms. Same goes for Bliss. And Becky Lynch. Aaliyah, who, in my opinion, looks just like Carmella. They could be sisters. Marina Shafir. Eve Torres. Ooh, Ruby. I got all the members of the Riot Squad now. Alicia Fox. Dropped one. Xia Li. She's really good. Unfortunately, she's the one who broke Aaliyah's nose. I feel so bad for her. Kanellis. Maria Kanellis. Okay, pretty good. Pretty good. Now the final box. Here are all the cards. And once again, let's start with the hit. And what the? Oh, it's a shirt relic.
Congratulations, you now own an authentic Natalya worn shirt relic. Nice. I like how it specifies that this was worn. Number 2 out of 25. I was hoping for a kiss card, but now these cards.
All right, Mickey James. That's cute.
And that's it. So let me get my hits back. And here they are. Autograph Dakota Kai. Autograph Jessie Camilla. I think I said her name right. I apologize if I said it wrong all this time. And a worn shirt of Natalya. All in all, pretty damn good. But that is it for my unboxing of these 3 women's division Topps box trading cards. Tell me what you guys think. And if any of you are interested in the hundreds of cards, not including the hits, that I unboxed, let me know in the comments below. And do you think I should do more of these? I mean, I'm not going to do any more anytime soon. Let me know in the comments below. But until the next unboxing or review I will see you soon. And stay tuned to this channel, guys. Coming this week will be something pretty epic. But until then,